Silo art near Shepparton is best viewed on a large screen. I hope you enjoy this visit to 6 silo art sites near Shepparton in Victoria. In November 2020, I visited silo art at Colbinaban, Rochester, Tungamar, St James, Vanishing and Gurumbat. Colbinaban is about 160 kilometres from Melbourne. The train line to Colbinaban was completed in 1913. Tim also painted this Country Fire Authority truck and a tractor pull. Half an hour north of Colbinaban is Rochester. Jimmy painted this Squirrel Glider and an Azure Kingfisher. It takes 90 minutes plus any stop at Shepparton to drive from Rochester to Tungamar, where the station opened in 1886. She first painted the dancing brolgas, then in 2019 the kookaburra, a galah and some other birds. It takes just 15 minutes to drive from Tungamar to St James. Tim painted 4 silos at St James. If you click on Show More under this online video, you will see YouTube links to some of my other videos. It takes less than 10 minutes to drive from St James to Vanishing. A GPS makes it easier to travel from one silo art site to another. It takes just over 10 minutes to drive from Vanishing to Gurumbat. With only 50 breeding pairs left in Victoria, the barking owl is listed as endangered. I suggest you leave Melbourne and travel via Heathcote to Colbinaban. Follow this map to visit the 6 silo art sites and spend the night at Benalla. Next morning, see the street art in Benalla and after lunch, travel home. In 2021, I'll be making a video of the Wimmera Mallee silo art plus the Benalla street art. Bye for now.